Dear students, in our previous class we read about the computer hardware. Today we will read about the computer software. Yes, what are the computer software? Computer software cannot be seen or touched. As your computer hardware, you can touch them and you can see that, है ना? For example, your keyboard and mouse, you can touch that and you can see that, but your computer software you cannot see or you cannot touch. Computer software are the set of programs and instructions which are installed in the computer. What are the programs? The step by step given instruction to the computer is said to be the programs, and set of programs are said to be the computer software which are installed in the computer. It cannot be seen or it cannot be touched. For example, you open paint in your computer, you start making drawing, you can not touch that drawing, you cannot see and you cannot touch the MS Paint software. So children, we can say that they are like the current flowing in the wires. We cannot touch the current. These are mainly divided into the three types: system software, application software, and utility software. What are the system software? We say computer also system. We say computer system also. So system software is the software which controls the working of a computer. Yes, without system software you cannot run the computer. It is required for running of a computer. It provides the interface to the user to work on the computer. Interface means intermediary, in between. It provides communication between the user. Who are the user? We are the user. And in between whom it provides the communication? It provides communication between us and the computer. How it provides communication, how it provides interface between the user and computer? See, I explain you. As we give commands to the computer, it takes all the commands given by us and it gives instruction to other units of computer for doing that task. For example, as you type the text from your keyboard, okay, you give instruction from the mouse, so output is displayed to the screen. Output is displayed on the screen to you now. How it fast displayed to you? Because system software keep all the devices in active mode, in ready for mode, so that you can get your output very fast. You can take the input you can give to input very fast and you can get the output very fast. For example, you give printout command to the computer. As you give printout command, you get your printout, है ना? So how fast you get your so fast you get your printout? How it is possible? Because it keeps printer in ready state. In the same way, it keeps all the devices of computer in ready state, so that we can work on the computer very fastly. Okay? So that computer can work very fastly. It takes the command from us, it understands the command given by us, then it give commands to the hardware devices. It means it is working between us and the computer hardware devices. Okay, so system software is required for running of a computer. MS-DOS, MS Windows and Linux are examples of system software. MS-DOS is example of earliest days of computer. It was used in earlier days. Now to we use MS Windows and Linux. In your computer lab, you use MS Windows software. When you start the computer, there comes on the black screen ki starting Windows. That time your system software is loading into the computer main memory. Okay, so MS-DOS, Windows and Linux are the example of system software and it is required for running of a computer. It controls all the activities of computer. Next is the application software. What are the application software? Application softwares are the software which are designed for specific task. Okay, specific task means, for example, if you want to do calculation in computer, so you will open calculator, तो calculator will do calculation work. Same as it is if you want to make drawing, you will start MS Paint and you will start making drawing. Same as it is if you want to type letter, you will open MS Word. So these softwares are the application software. Those are designed for specific task. Application software is the softwares which enables you, it means which gives you to perform specific task on the computer. With the help of this software you can do the task on computer. Like for if you want to type letter, you will open MS Word. If you want to make the drawings, you will open Paint. Watching movie, you will open Window Media Player. So these are the example of application software, etc. Example: MS Office, Paint, Windows Media Player, etc. are the common examples of application software. MS means Microsoft Office. Okay, MS Word, Paint, MS Word, Paint are the part of this Paint, Word, Excel are the part of MS Office software. Next, for example, I want to give you one example of the application software. For example, as the tailor design the suits, okay, architect design the map of the houses, है ना, buildings. Same as it is, software engineer design the application software according to the need of the software, according to the need of the user. For example, a doctor needs software for his hospital to keeping the record of a patient. So he will say to software engineer, है ना, कि design the software according to the my requirement. And same as it is, bank manager needs software for his bank according to the software, according to the requirement of the bank manager. Software engineer will design a software for the bank. So bank software cannot run in the hospital and hospital software cannot run in the bank. So it means this type of the software are designed according to the need of the user. And some common application software are for us. For example, Word is a common application. Anyone can use this software for typing the letter. And Paint, anyone can use for making the drawings. But without this software your computer can start, your computer can run, but without system software your computer cannot be run. Next is the utility software. Utility software are required for keeping the running of computer fast, keeping the for smooth running of the computer, smooth functioning of a computer. Utility software is the software which help you in keeping the computer parts in proper working condition, ki all the working of the computer is going properly, okay, all the task is going properly. They also make our computer work fast. Disk defragmenter, disk cleanup, etc. are the example of utility software. What are the disk defragmenter? For example, if you purchase computer, okay, the hard disk will come in the computer. So your hard disk is empty. Now you will save the files. You saved that 8 to 10 files, and after saving it, you deleted the file number 2, file number 6. So space of the file of 2 and 6 will be free now. So disk defragmenter, what it will do, what is the task of this software? This software will arrange this file, it will arrange this free up space those you deleted. So it take care of the computer, so all the working of computer should be smooth and fast. Next is the disk cleanup. What is the cleanup name? It is clear from the name. Its work is cleaning. Okay, so sometimes you work on computer na, some temporary files are created. So if these files are created, so it get the speed of the computer slow. So it warns to the user कि some temporary files are created in your computer. So this cleanup software clean this temporary files, so your working of your computer remain fast. It deletes the temporary files of your computer. So the disk defragmenter and disk cleanup are the utility software for smooth running, for keeping your computer fast, for keeping running of your computer fast. These are the example of utility software. Next things to remember in this chapter: computer systems consist of both hardware as well as software. Yes, without hardware you cannot work on the computer, and without software you also cannot work on the computer. So it is a combination of both hardware as well as software. The hardware part of the computer are divided into three units: input units, with the help of which you give input to the computer, example keyboard, mouse; output unit, the units which give result to us, monitor, printer are the output unit; storage unit, this unit stores the data and instruction given by us; memory, hard disk, RAM are the storage units. Next is the software. Software is the part of computer system that cannot be touched physically. Yes, there is no physical existence of software. We cannot see or we cannot touch the software. Next is the CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Yes, all the calculation works. Arithmetical, arithmetic means addition, subtraction. Logical means comparison. All the calculation work is performed by this CPU. As your brain, as in human being, brain do all the calculations na, same as it in computer, CPU, processor do all this work. So it is said to be brain of a computer. There are three types of software: system software, it is required for running the computer; application software, these are installed in the computer according to the need of the user; utility software, these softwares are required for smooth running of a computer. ठीक है, thank you.